Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical and fundamental perspective for 5th and 6th January. First giving a recap, first going on an 1 hourly chart. As forecasted, we were forecasting a bearish momentum entering in the market from this particular range of some around 1950 1938. However, the market didn't respect our analysis and we have given a signal to go short if we see a break through this particular support zone, and we haven't seen a break through this particular support zone in the market. There's no sale position have been triggered by the traders. So I was going through the comments, and many of you were asking why we were particularly being bearish since the fundamentals were more bullish for the market. So the main cause for going bearish for the market was this particular gap in the market, and whenever this particular open gap on Monday is formed on the market for the gold, the market always retest towards this particular area to always close its particular gap which it has formed on the opening session on the Monday. So that was the key component we were looking. However, we have seen that the market was more bullish and the market didn't respect this particular. We did see a retest towards this particular support zone, and this resistance zone has been break through the market smoothly. Now coming on to the today's analysis, what we are expecting on 5th and 6th January is that I am seeing that the market is making a bull trap. So basically what is a bull trap? So a bull trap is a trap set by bears. It's kind of a bull trap which we are currently seeing in the market, as the sentiments and the emotions are running through us that we can see a bullish momentum and we all are triggering the long position as the hedge funds and the money managers wants. However, no one is considering this particular gap forming in the market for the gold, and the market for the gold either by testing this particular resistance area in range of some around 1967, or either breaking through this particular support zone would definitely come in order to close this particular gap. This again, our analysis is more bearish for the gold. So the fundamental grounds for our being bearish is the short trades as in percentage of total traded volume of Barrick Gold has rose from 24.8 for the second half of the last month to approx 35 for the first half of the December. So according to the filing review by traders. So basically the last month on December we were having 14.1 short positions traders in the gold out of 100, but in January we can see that the 14.9 amount or the digits have increased to some around near to 25. Again, the hedge funds typically engage in practice of short selling by borrowing a stock from an institution investors such as in pension funds and selling it back at a lower price when shares fall, pocketing the differences. And the tougher lockdown restrictions to combat a new variant for the virus and the huge government debt nonetheless could propel the gold high. So both bearish and bullish factors has been highlighted. Now coming on to the market is that we can draw this particular ascending channel on an 1 hourly chart. This would be the particular resistance zone. This would be the particular resistance zone. First coming on the bearish scenario. So we would be only and only bearish for the market for the gold if we see that the market closed below this particular support zone, which is in range of some around 1935. Thus, if we see that the market on an 4 hourly or on day chart closed below 1935, that would be an indicator to go short, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1946, with our entry trigger point of some around 1934, and our take profit would be of some around 1904. This trade will give a reward of approx 1 ratio 2.56 of 2.56. Now coming on to the bullish scenario, if we didn't see that the market isn't able to break through this particular support zone, however we do see a retest towards this particular support zone in a range of some around 1935 or to a range of some around 1942, that would be an excellent opportunity to go short, to go long, if we see that the market was doing in choppy moves some around here. As we can see in the market was confusing and the market was doing choppy moves, which suggests that the market was struggling to go bullish, to be bullish in the market. So our long position could be triggered some around 1941, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1934, with our take profit of this particular resistance zone that will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.2. Keep in mind, I wouldn't be triggering any long position in the current scenario, as I am considering that this is a bull trap set by bears, and we will, in coming days or coming hours, we will see a bearish momentum entering the market. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.